India, boasting the world's fourth-largest railway network, is undergoing a profound transformation. Modern passenger trains, eco-innovations like hydrogen propulsion, sprawling freight corridors, and infrastructure upgrades are collectively repositioning railways as the backbone of the nation's economic and environmental future. Vande Bharat Express, the passenger train revolution, the flag-bearer of speed and comfort. Since its 2019 debut, the Vande Bharat Express has become emblematic of India's semi-high-speed ambitions, touching speeds of 160 km per hour. Its chair-car variant excels on high-traffic intercity routes, while the sleeper version, with ergonomic berths, automatic doors, and rapid acceleration, offers comfort that rivals Rajdhani services. The government's approval of 200 new Vande Bharat trains, including extended 20-coach formations, will significantly scale capacity and accessibility. Amrit Bharat, the inclusive workhorse. Marrying modern amenities with inclusivity, the Amrit Bharat Express operates in a push-pull format, featuring locomotive units at both ends for swift turnaround. With 22 coaches combining sleeper and unreserved classes and equipped with CCTV, charging ports, and improved interiors, it offers accessible modernization. The 2025-26 expansion includes 100 additional sets, widening its reach to millions of long-distance travelers. Namo Bharat Regional Rapid Transit. India's first RRTS, Regional Rapid Transit System, Namo Bharat, currently serves the Delhi-Meerut corridor. Built by Alstom, under Make in India, these high-performance units operate at 160 to 180 km per hour, powered by advanced ETCS to signaling and LTE-based ATO systems. With 50 more train sets approved, Namo Bharat is poised to deliver metro-level speed to suburban and regional corridors. The bullet train vision defining high-speed India. At the pinnacle of high-speed ambitions, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail, based on Japanese Shinkansen technology, will clock speeds of 320 km per hour, trimming travel time to under 3 hours. India is also developing indigenous high-speed train sets capable of 280 km per hour, built locally at substantially lower cost. Approved corridors like Delhi-Kolkata underline the intent to elevate long-distance rail to world-class standards. Green innovation, hydrogen trains and sustainability driving change. India is staking its claim in green rail travel. The country's first hydrogen-powered train, developed at ICF Chennai, is set for deployment on the Jind-Sonipat route. Equipped with a 1,200 HP engine, its